Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and I know it's the weekend, people. It is time to enjoy. So today we decided to go retro. This is going to be Retro Series 1. I'm hoping you like it. If you do, make sure you hit the like button on your way out. Let's go ahead, let's get this review started. Hey, what's up? Welcome back, people. Today we got some retro watch faces for you all to check out that I think are nice. Now, for those of you all who go way back with me, tell me if you remember this one. New people, this is an awesome watch face. If you're into running, exercising, this one's going to give you everything that you can ever need out of a watch face. Now, you will not see this type of watch face around anymore, right? This is it. But what I like about the watch face, first of all, is that it puts the icons right by the information. That is awesome, right? Now, in the always on mode, all you're going to get pretty much is a digital time, but we want to focus on the watch face when it's on. So up at the top, you got a shoe for your steps, you get your music, and all of this is interactive. Every single icon. You got distance walked or ran, you got your step goal completed, you also got step percentage, you got your water intake, you also got your heart rate, you also get your coffee intake as well. Nice bold digital time down at the bottom. For those of you all who use S Voice, there you go. Your date down at the bottom. This is a good look. As I said, it is interactive, so you can tap on any one of these and you can go right into it. You want to put in your water intake, you can. I haven't drank any water yet. I need to. But yes, this is an awesome watch face, people. It's in the Gear Manager store. Download it if you like it. If not, let's go on. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is Boss. Let me know if you remember this one, because this one goes back as far as mid-2017 as well. Very, very beautiful watch face. Now, you could dress up or you could dress down, but if you're gonna dress to impress, this is the watch face that you want to put on your wrist this weekend. Now, the name of the watch face is called Impulse, and always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be in a dark theme, but when the watch face is on, you get everything that you can need out of a watch face, especially with a good look. Now, you get the step status info up top, you get your battery meter right there, you get all your step status info right here, and you can tap on any one and it'll take you right exactly to where you need to go. Single tap, no problem. Nice legible date. Get your calendar as well, and you got an analog clock as well as digital time in 24 hours. This watch face, in my opinion, is beautiful. Now, let's say you're going out, you're thinking, hey, this is too bright. Double tap. Now you're in the dark mode. Daytime come, double tap. You're back home, people. You're back home. All right, you all. Let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. And the number 3 is nice. Now, although it's a digital watch face, it has an elegant look that I love. Now, looking at the numbers, maybe it's the chrome. I don't know. But this watch face is nice. Now, in the always on mode, it's just going to be darkened down. You're going to get a nice look. But when it's on, I'm loving it, right? It gives you everything that you need. You're going to get your day. You're going to get your battery info at the top. You're going to get animated seconds. You're going to come all the way down, and you're going to get your date down at the bottom. Everything that you're going to need out of a watch face. But this one here is not interactive. But if you're going out and you're dressing casual, this will be a nice timepiece. And you can color coordinate. And this one, as you see, is a single tap. Very nice. Very nice. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know what you thought of these retro watch faces. And Series 2 is coming right up. All right, you all, please enjoy your weekend. Have fun. Party like it's 1999. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care. I know you all thought I forgot. Most of all, be safe.